Hi, it's Kristen, and in this video, we're going to talk about setting up your semester grade calculations. So I'm going to go into Skyward. In the last video, I set up my grade categories. Now, your grade categories need to be set up at the very beginning of the semester or the grading period. Your semester calculations, actually, you can change once you're into a grading period, but it's important that you know what some of your options are. So I'm going to go ahead and open my grade book here, and I'm going to go to options, and I'm going to set up the semester one. I'm going to demonstrate in semester one, even though we're starting out a new semester, just because there are grades in here and you can see the difference. So I'm going to go to semester one grade calculations. Now, if I have cumulative assignment scores for all terms set up, which is kind of the default, it's important to note that even if I have percentages, and in this grade book I have 80-20 for percentages, it's going to take the total points. So I'm going to leave that on, and I'm going to go back and kind of show you what that looks like. So you can see for quarter one, this student had an A, and for quarter two, they had a B plus, but their semester one grade is a B plus because there were more points in the second quarter than there were in the first quarter. So that weights it automatically if you use cumulative. So if you didn't want that, you can go in and you can weight your grades based on percentage. So if you wanted your percentages to stay true, I would recommend doing 50-50. And so then if you're doing 80-20, that's going to hold from quarter to quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and make that save. And you can see here now that these two grades are weighted and both of these. And so you get that 50-50 weighting, and it's an average of the two. But maybe you say to yourself, you know what, my second quarter or my third quarter or my fourth quarter, whatever part of the semester is, maybe you say that is where I want it to be weighted more heavily. Maybe you have a big project, maybe more of your summative assessments are in the second part of your course. You could set it up so that the second part of your course is weighted more heavily. But again, it's really important that you communicate that to parents and students so they know the expectations of the course and what that looks like. So you can see here, now I've weighted my quarter two as 70%. And so this student, their grade stayed at that B plus, but this student, instead of having those averaged together as a B, their grade for the term is an A minus. You can still do a grade adjustment with either of these options on, but it's something to consider before you start your new semester is how you want your semesters calculated. If you have additional questions about your gradebook setup, please contact myself or Jennifer Bormas with any questions.